if you're new to my channel, this is like my third or fourth big chop. I've lost count at this point, so yeah. I just wanted to do a quick length check update because it's been at least a year and a half since my big chop shave. And I just wanted to let you guys see where my hair is at in terms of length. I'm gonna be checking my length going forward just to ensure that I'm actually retaining length and not losing length, because if I'm not careful, you know, my hair will be breaking and I won't even know because I don't regularly check my hair. I've been wearing a lot of protective styling. I've been wearing a lot of wigs, and when I'm not wearing wigs, I'll probably wear my hair out for like 2 weeks and then I put it back in a wig again. So yeah, so I'm just gonna show you guys in terms of what it looks like on my face. I'm not gonna be getting a measuring tape because it's not that serious, it's just hair. So I just want to show you guys where it's at so that we can at least, you know, track over the next coming months how far it has grown. Crown of my hair is usually the shortest. I think that has to do with the fact that it's constantly rubbing against the headrest or something, and also I don't think I pay enough attention to the back of my head when I'm moisturizing it. The front part of my hair grows the slowest and the back of my hair grows the fastest. The back of my hair has a looser texture, so I think that contributes to it growing faster. Because it's looser, I think a lot more product gets to it, and you know, it's just less likely to break because of the less crisscrossing of the hair follicles. So that's just the quick length check video for you guys. I will do another length check either in 3 months. I think 3 months is a little bit too soon. I will do another length check within 3 to 6 months time, so that we can see how far my hair has grown. I think this is a good amount of hair for being completely bald 1.5 years ago. So yeah. Anyways guys, if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and please rate this video. I really do appreciate you guys' feedback. And if you have any tips that you do to let your hair grow, please let me know, because I'm always open to, you know, more opinions and all of that. So thanks again for watching, and bye.